Topic 8. Pattern Identification Process. A crime pattern is a group of two or more crimes reported to or discovered by police that is treated as one unit of analysis because 1. The crimes share one or more key commonalities that make them notable and distinct. 2. There is no known relationship between victim and offender. And 3. The criminal activity is typically of limited duration. A series is a group of similar crimes thought to be committed by the same individual or group of individuals acting in concert. A spree is a specific type of series characterized by high frequency of criminal activity within a remarkably short time frame, to the extent that the activity appears almost continuous. Hot prey refers to a group of crimes committed by one or more individuals, involving victims who share similar physical characteristics and/or engage in similar behavior. Hotspots refer to a group of similar crimes committed by one or more individuals at locations within close proximity to one another. Hot setting refers to a group of similar crimes committed by one or more individuals that are primarily related by type of location or locations. Hot place refers to a group of similar crimes committed by one or more individuals at the same location. Hot product refers to a group of crimes committed by one or more individuals in which a unique type of property is targeted for theft. Deduction is the process of finding a pattern from a large number of cases, or moving from the general to the specific. Induction is the process of finding a pattern from one case to which others can be linked, or moving from the specific to the general. Identifying a pattern is a two-step process. The analyst must link together all of the cases that make up a pattern, initial pattern identification, and then look closely at the cases to determine whether they should be included in or excluded from a pattern. This is known as pattern finalization. The three general methods of initial pattern identification are the ad hoc, query, and weights and thresholds. Ad hoc linking of patterns consists of persons linking cases by memory in the course of their everyday work. The query method of identifying patterns involves the use of critical thinking and the application of deductive-inductive methods as the analyst searches a database and links cases with similar characteristics. The third method of identifying initial patterns uses weights and thresholds within a computer system to identify patterns. Pattern finalization is the process of refining a pattern by including only strongly related cases. The methodology for finalizing a pattern is inductive and consists of three steps: identifying the principal case, identifying other key cases in the pattern, and identifying any additional related cases. Identifying investigative leads is an inductive process that begins with identifying the most relevant suspect description or MO characteristics to match offenders typically living in close proximity to the pattern. Tactical crime analysts use several kinds of databases to provide police with investigative leads. These include a known offender database, a registered sex offender database, a field information database, and a vehicle database. Clearing cases is an inductive process in which an analyst links unsolved cases to a recently solved case in order to provide information to detectives who are ultimately responsible for closing cases and pressing multiple charges against an individual suspect. This is the end of Topic 8, Pattern Identification Process.